Good afternoon, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2026 Harris Cruiser 250. It is powered by a Mercury V8 250 horse. It's equipped with the lily pad step ladder. It was equipped with the sun lounger, illuminated cup holders, wet sound system. This will convert in 3 different positions. Rear facing, along with the safety rails, chain, and the ski bar. The next position lays completely flat. And your last position, positioned front facing. In this compartment under here, you've got your battery switches, along with your charger. You got your dual captain seats with bolster. Wet sound stereo system, Simrad screen. Coming up to the front, you've got some nice storage area here. Opens up, nice spot for your cooler. Plenty of storage, plenty of room. Illuminated cup holders with your USB-C. Storage compartment with the drain sill. Keeps your belongings dry. Up front here is a nice spot for your anchor. Armrest. Ski locker storage. Thanks for watching. Joel Hawk from MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks.